Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So today's video is going to be a super special because I'll be showing how to achieve this easy glam makeup look that is absolutely beginner friendly. Makeup can be intimidating, but trust me, with the right techniques and some simple steps, you can achieve this easy glam makeup look easily. So whether you are heading for a party or a wedding or you want to look extra glam, this video is for you guys. Also, before moving on to this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified. So you can follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle यही कहीं पे आ रहा होगा. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so before jumping into the makeup, skin prep is a must. I've already prepped my skin using toner, moisturizer and sunscreen. These three products are very important to prep your skin. Also, if you want to know how I prep my skin before makeup, you can watch my previous video as well. Now our skin is already prepped for the makeup. So let's move on to the base. First of all, I'm applying the Color Bar Primer. It smooths out my skin and makes the makeup long lasting. I'm taking a small amount of product and gently dabbing it onto my face, especially focusing on the T-zone areas. Next, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. My shade is Warm Nude. It gives me medium coverage and blends easily into my skin. I'm applying it into a dot motion all over my face and blending it very well using a beauty blender. Also, don't forget your neck area. Now for the concealer, I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 02. It's quite creamy and gives full coverage. Also, it really helps to hide my dark circles, dark spots, pigmentations. So I'm applying it under my eyes, on the chin, forehead and wherever the dark spots I have. Then blending it all very nicely. So for the blush, I'm using a little hack for this. I'm using this lipstick. This is from Manish Malhotra. I'm taking a small amount and dabbing it onto the cheeks. Also, ये lipstick मुझे काफी ज़्यादा wash off करती है. So I personally like to use as a blush. Also, it blending it very nicely and gives a very natural flush of color. मैं बंदर लग रही हूँ बंदर. Also, I really like to use on my nose and chin area. Now let's set the makeup, but not directly. I'm using this Blue Heaven makeup fixer, but instead of spraying it directly on the face, I'll spray it on the beauty blender and then gently press it into the skin. This technique makes the makeup look more skin-like and natural. Then it's time to add some definition. I'm using this Mars makeup palette. It has a perfect brown shade that I'll use to contour my cheekbone, jawline and nose for that soft snatch look. Then from the same palette, I'm picking this beautiful coral peachy shade of color and applying it as a powder blush. This will also help set the cream blush underneath. Next up, I'm taking the Insight Loose powder and lightly dabbing it under my eyes to fix the concealer and around the jawline to give that snatched look and corners of the mouth to lock everything and hide my smile lines as well. And for the rest of the face, I'm using this Sugar Pop compact powder. It's very lightweight and helps to control the shine as well. It's a really affordable and budget-friendly product. Now let's climb up the eyes now. I'm again using this Mars palette. This is the all-rounder palette, guys. So starting with this neutral transition shade and I'm blending it into the upper crease. Also blend it nicely to that soft transition. Then I'm taking a deeper brown shade and then I'm applying it just below the crease and blending it more controlled way. Also blend it slightly outward direction to give that lifted snatched look. Now for that glam shine look, I'm taking this pink shimmer shade and tapping it on the inner eyelids. It really looks stunning under lights. Again blending it very well to that natural look. Also now I'm removing the loose powder which I applied under my eyes and jawline. Also after using this, my face looks so snatched. Using the same brown shades, and I'm blending the lower lash line to make the entire look same. So for the brows, I'm brushing them with a spoolie and then using the same brown eyeshadow from this palette to fill them evenly. After filling my eyebrows, I am again brushing it off ताकि कोई भी harsh lines ना रह जाए and it will look so natural and defined. Now it's time for the eyeliner. I'm using the Insight Liquid Eyeliner and I'm drawing a sleek winged liner to make the eyes look even more lifted. Now for the lips, first I'm using this Mars lip liner to line my lip. This is the brown in shade. Then for the lipstick, I'm using this Lakme Creamy Matte lipstick. This is the shade Nude Myth. So I'm thinking to keep my lips nude and brown. So it gives a soft nude brown tone which goes perfectly with this look. For highlighter, I'm using the Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. I'll apply it on the cheekbones, bridge of the nose, cupid bows and inner corners of my eyes for that extra glam. To lock everything in place, I'm again using this Blue Heaven makeup fixer to set my makeup. Lastly, I'm applying a bit of Blue Heaven mascara on the lashes, just enough to open up my eyes. So yeah, that's it. We are done. Now this is the final look, guys. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you like this look, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, see you in the next video. Stay gorgeous, keep glowing. Bye.